way to consume a variety of fruits and vegetables, and the best part, you can customize them to suit your individual tastes and nutritional needs. Whether you're a fan of sweet berries or prefer the tropical tang of pineapple, there's a smoothie for you. So, ready to blend your way to better health? Let's dive into the first recipe. Starting with a green detox smoothie, a perfect blend of vitamins and antioxidants. Imagine the freshness of spinach, the crispness of apple, the tanginess of lemon, and the warmth of ginger, all combined into a single drink. Every ingredient plays a vital role in this health potion. Spinach, packed with iron and calcium, is a superfood that strengthens your bones and boosts your immunity. Apples, being high in fiber and water, are excellent for your digestive system. The splash of lemon juice not only adds a vibrant flavor, but also enriches the smoothie with vitamin C. Lastly, ginger. This root is a powerhouse of benefits, known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to aid digestion. So to prepare this detoxifying elixir, blend all the ingredients together until smooth. Yes, it's that simple. Sip on this detoxifying green smoothie and give your body the cleanse it deserves. Moving on to a fruity delight, the Berry Blast smoothie. This vibrant blend of mixed berries, banana and almond milk is not just a treat to your taste buds, but a powerhouse of nutrition as well. Let's start with the mixed berries. A medley of strawberries, blueberries and raspberries. These tiny fruits are packed with antioxidants that fight harmful free radicals in your body. Next, we have bananas. They're a great source of potassium, essential for heart health and blood pressure regulation. Now, let's add in some almond milk. It's a wonderful dairy-free alternative, rich in vitamin E, a nutrient vital for skin health. Plus, it adds a delightful, nutty flavor to the mix. But wait, there's more to this smoothie than just great taste and nutrition. As you blend these ingredients together, they create a stunning purple hue that is a feast for the eyes as well. Enjoy this berry-licious smoothie and feel the burst of energy and antioxidants. Next up, we're bringing tropical vibes to your kitchen with our Tropical Paradise smoothie. Imagine a balmy, sun-kissed beach as we delve into the ingredients that make this smoothie a true island delight. First off, we have pineapple. This spiky fruit is not just a tropical treat, it's packed with bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion and has anti-inflammatory properties. Next, we introduce mango. This king of fruits is a powerhouse of vitamins A and C, essential for maintaining good eye health and boosting immunity. Finally, we mix in coconut milk. Far from just lending a creamy texture, coconut milk is a great source of healthy fats and is known for its potential in supporting weight loss. Blend these ingredients together and voila! You have a smoothie that's a vibrant medley of tropical flavors. Savor this tropical smoothie and transport yourself to a beachy paradise while boosting your immune system. In summary, these three smoothies not only taste amazing, but also pack a punch of health benefits. We've journeyed through the world of healthy smoothies, exploring the green detox, berry blast, and tropical paradise recipes. Each one of these smoothies has its own unique blend of ingredients, flavors, and health benefits, making them a versatile addition to any diet. The green detox smoothie, with its mix of leafy greens and refreshing fruits, serves as a perfect cleanse for your body. It's like hitting the reset button, flushing out toxins and replenishing your body with essential nutrients. Next, we have the Berry Blast smoothie, a sweet mix of assorted berries and yogurt. This smoothie is a powerhouse of antioxidants that aid in combating free radicals in your body. It's like a shield, protecting you from the inside out. Lastly, the Tropical Paradise smoothie takes us on a trip to the tropics with its vibrant blend of tropical fruits like pineapple and mango. This smoothie is a great source of vitamin C, supporting your immune system and promoting radiant skin. These smoothie recipes are not only packed with health benefits, but also incredibly easy to prepare. With just a few ingredients and a blender, you can whip up these nutritious drinks in no time. Smoothies are a fantastic way to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet, offering a delicious and convenient solution to healthful eating. So turn these smoothie recipes into your daily habit and experience the health transformation you've been seeking. Until next time, stay healthy.
Infinite Solutions. Please subscribe and hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. Thank you for watching,